Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about dictionary data type in Python. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a collection of key value pair format. So in this key value format, we can able to store the data in an ordered structure. It won't allow for any duplicate data. For example, dictionary, it contain only a single key type. Okay, it won't allow for any sequence data type as a key. Key must be an immutable Python object. Immutable means we cannot modify the data once we create it. For example, string, tuple, number, it can be a key data type. Value, there is no restriction for that. It may be any data type. Dict one is our variable name. Name, Bala, age, 22, sim, here. This is our given example. It will be printed as it is. Key value pair will be separated by using this colon. How we can able to create the dictionary? By using this curly bracket only. Okay. We can use the curly bracket and this key value pair will be separated by this colon. And we can able to create this dictionary by using the dict constructor as well. What is dict constructor? We have to use this dict with the round bracket. This is called a dict constructor. In the inside of this dict constructor, we have to pass the sequence type inputs in the pair format. Okay. For example, we have the sequence of data type and each and everything will be a pair of inputs. How can we access the dictionary inputs? We have a different inbuilt method for the dictionary data types. In that dict of name. So if you are mentioning a particular key belongs to that key, we will get the value. And one more thing, we have keys function and another one is values function. Still we have that is called items and get function. So get is a function to mention particularly what is your key. Belongs to that value, we can able to get it. Items, it will give both keys and values. So these are all the function available for dictionary data type. So all this function we'll see with an example one by one. So in this example, we will specify with one key, age. So dict1 is our variable name. So 22 is our value. It will be printed. And next one is dict1 dot get of. So in get method also we have to mention what is our key. So department is my key. We have to mention what is my value. So in get we should not mention the square bracket. We have to use the round bracket. Okay, that is easy. So next one is print of dict1 dot keys. So keys is a inbuilt function. And next one is values. And another one is items. So keys function will retrieve only the keys, values will give only values, items will retrieve both keys and values. Okay, these are all the inbuilt function which is available for dictionary data type in Python. I hope all of you understand these methods. Yeah, I will see in next video. Thank you guys.